What's up, guys? It's Patrick Hall with Fstoppers, and today I just wanted to announce that we are going to extend our photo contest for the month of June into the month of July. We had an issue with the announcement video where some of the audio was messed up, and I just released that a few days ago, so you can check that out. You can see all of the last month's winners as well as the new contest that's announced. But Lee and I have been traveling through Europe. We actually went to Mike Kelly's wedding, which was in Stockholm, Sweden. And then we've been traveling through Norway, and I have just now gotten back to Puerto Rico, hence why I'm sweating. And so since we've been traveling, we really haven't been able to make as much content as we'd like. So I thought, why don't we go ahead and extend this contest into July, just to give everybody a little bit more time to submit, and so that we can announce the contest formally and make some more videos promoting it. So if you guys go to the link in the description below or head over to fstoppers.com/contest, you can join. The theme for this month's contest is moody lighting, so you can interpret that however you want. We're looking for something that's magical, mysterious, interesting, just not the normal type of lighting that you might see. And to help celebrate this, we're gonna be giving away $1,000 cash as the first place prize. And then for second place, we're gonna be giving away a Smoke Genie by PMI. It's a cool battery-powered smoke machine that you can use on location to accomplish your own moody lighting. And then of course, third place is always gonna get a free tutorial from the store. You can go to fstoppers.com/store to check that out. I am dying of heat exhaustion. I just got out of this jungle, and I need to get home, dry off, get some water. I'm out of water out here, which is not a good idea. But all the way till July, guys. You have one more month to enter. I will see you all really soon.